Alright, so here's the pond. Originally dug like 100 years ago or something, right?
Yeah, almost 100 years ago. I think it was dug in like the 1930s by the
Conservation
Conservation Corps.
But
So this is kind of cool.
this is like the original berm that they put here because, well, I can show you the full kind of swale that goes across the property. It starts back there at the back of the property, slowly kind of slopes here, and then it would go into the other neighbor's property, but since they built this wall here, this berm, then it prevents the water from going along its natural path, and so it kind of just forms a pond right here. And right now it's just still has snow on this side since there are trees here which stop it from melting. But then on the far side it has melted. And basically we've just been trying to excavate this so that it can hold more water in the future. So really it's been anything from just like digging a little hole like this, or to digging like trenches like this. Just basically anything so that water can collect. And here's another patch which we've been excavating as well. It's just kind of going up the side here. And basically right now where we've been depositing the soil is just on the other side of the berm because it kind of slopes down, so it allows us to kind of have a space to put it. But as we kind of dig out further, we'll probably start using some actual heavy machinery since it is a lot of work to just use a shovel. But of course that is originally how they dug this, but nowadays we'd probably just use like some sort of digging machine so that we can get this done in a lot faster time frame. But yeah, so this is kind of the plan, is that we'll sort of excavate this area, potentially going a little bit further than what you see here, but not too far. But we just want to have a nice habitat, so any migratory animals or even any just local animals like the deer or rabbits here can have a nice place to get water and basically relax. So yeah, that's just kind of what we're doing here, is just digging out the pond that was already here.